Hey guys, welcome back to Lucky Left 615. Today we got a fun one. You may have seen that I recently installed the Eonon GMX6S2, the 8-inch LED screen for my truck for the 2013 Sierra 1500. I put that in, so if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to be doing a recording of that and putting that into the vault. Head over to luckyleft615.com. You can check the vault and see all the different builds that we have. But our friends over at Eonon had gave us a little bit extra to add with that radio today. So we're going to be doing an unboxing here of this DSP amplifier and also for this OBD sensor that goes in and kind of helps check a lot of the vitals and the statistics for your truck. So let's get into the open and check out and see what we have here. So as I mentioned, they sent this over. It's a nice shrink wrap here. We're going to go on and open it up, see what we've got inside. Put that aside. All right, this says it's the DSP amplifier box, model number A304. The product name is the DSP box. So there's a little bit about that guy there. So let's check it out. So a nice image here on the front, drawn in. All right, let's see what we got. Change, why wait? Okay, opening this up, we've got a nice little amplifier that's inside the box. Nice packaging that surrounds it. Inside here we also have a few other cables, and so this insert packaging. This is everything that you get inside the box. We'll go through it here. We've got a remote control. I believe you can control your amp once you install this, because you're going to put this in behind the radio in the car, in the truck. So you won't have access to see this anymore if we get that done right. So we'll check it out when we install it. So to control that box, they've given you a remote to be able to do that. We've also got some additional cabling. So this looks very familiar with the Eonon radio that we put in. So it looks like it's going to be a simple plug and play. Guys, that radio is super cool. So I've tried a couple of different ones for the truck. We removed the original, got rid of that, and wanted to put a nice screen in so that we could see everything. But I had a few features that I really wanted to get out of that radio. So like I said, head over to the vault so you can learn more about that radio in particular. Looks like we have here an audio cable. So we'll find out where that goes when we plug it in. So it comes in, and then of course we have some instructions. A lot of times the instructions are lackluster with a lot of these types of products, but this one actually looks like it's pretty good. The radio was super nice as well, very easy to install and laid out. So here we have the front side of the model A304, the amp. It's got some precautions, product overview, what's in the box. So we already went through that. The dimensions, so 37 by 90 by 122 millimeter. A little wiring diagram, so it's going to plug into the back of our radio, and I'll scan that in later so you can get a better picture of it. Looks pretty straightforward. Number 4, that's an infrared receiver. Okay, so this is not just an audio cable here. This is actually an infrared receiver, so that your remote control can talk to the amplifier. Good. I think that's all. That's all we have. So it looks pretty simple. What these guys do really well is plug and play. A few of the other products and radios that I installed and tried to test through, they were super difficult, and so you had to have a pretty good knowledge of how to do wiring, and you know, they were not so easy. This one was easy from the get-go. Just plug and play. There's a lot of wires, but it was easy to follow on what to do, and so. When I do the video, you can go through and see how that looks for the radio. So yeah, super amped up for this amp. So that looks good. And then next we also have another product that they sent over. This is the OBDII diagnostic interface. So this will go into your OBDII port on the bottom of the truck and send information over to the radio through, I think it's through Bluetooth is how this one works. So let's cut into this, see what we've got. Packaged really well again. Nice thick plastic around this guy protect the box so it doesn't get damaged and travel over to you. Okay. All right, so here's what we have. The OBDII Diagnostic Interface Car Diagnostic Scanner. All right, so works with iOS, with Android, and with Windows. Tips, so it looks like you got a cloud, you plug it in, connect. There's a QR code on the back here that we can scan, I'm sure, to do the installation. Probably will be pretty straightforward, but we'll open this guy up. Inside, nothing else inside the packaging other than the OBDII dongle. So this, this should look pretty familiar if you're used to putting anything in for like the AFM delete, or if you do any kind of diagnostic work with a scanner. Same thing, this guy will plug in. Looks like it will power directly from that port and then start sending information, yeah, over Bluetooth to the radio. So we'll see how easy this is to set up and what kind of diagnostic information we can actually pull from the truck. So yeah, let's get into it.